Similarly, we will put these conditions in equation number 2. Equation number 2, that is this one, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 cos of theta, m2 v2 cos of phi. We will put the conditions. So we will get, I am putting m u1 plus m into 0, that is 0, m v1 cos of theta plus m v2 cos of phi. We will cancel out the m, so it will be u1 is equal to v1 cos of theta plus v2 cos of phi. So this equation number will be equation number 5. Similarly, equation number 3, by equation number 3, this was the equation number 3, we will get b1 sine of theta is equal to v2 sine of phi. I am putting and writing directly. Clear? These equations 4, 5 and 6. Now from equation number 4, we will get u1 minus b1 square is equal to v2 square. Clear? We will get from this equation, we will take b1 to the left hand side and we will get this equation. This is equation number 7. Now similarly from 5, this equation we will get u1 minus b1 cos of theta is equal to v2 cos of phi. This will be equation number 8. Now we will take this equation number 6 and equation number 8. We will squaring and adding 6 and 8. Clear? 6 equation number this, left hand side is b1 sine of theta. Similarly 8 equation number is this, left side is u1 minus b1 cos of theta. We will square and add. So v1 sine of theta the whole square plus u1 minus b1 cos theta whole square will be equal to v2 sine of phi square plus v2 cos of phi square. Clear? Now we will open this b1 square sine square theta plus we will open this a by a minus b whole square formula, u1 square plus b1 square cos square theta minus 2 u1 b1 cos of theta. Similarly right hand side v2 square sine square phi plus v2 square cos square phi. Now we will take these, this and this. We will take b1 square as common. We will take sine square theta plus cos square theta plus this equation u1 square plus minus this equation u1 b1 cos of theta. Clear? Similarly from right hand side we will take v2 square common, sine square phi plus cos square phi. This will be become when 1, this also will become 1. So we will get b1 square plus u1 square minus 2 u1 b1 cos of theta equal to v2 square. This we will get. And this will be equation number 9. Now from 7 and 9. Equation number 7 is this equation and 9 we have now that now v2 square is equal to this. Here v2 square is equal to this. Right hand sides are equal, so left hand side will also be equal. So we will get u1 square minus v1 square is equal to u1 square plus v1 square minus 2 u1 b1 cos of theta. Now in this equation u1 and u1 will be cancel out. Clear? So we will take this equation towards right hand side and this to left hand side. 2 u1 b1 cos of theta will be equal to v1 square plus b1 square 2 b1 square. 2 and 2 cancel, 1 b and b cancel. It will be u1 cos of theta equal to v1. Now this is the value of velocity of particle first. Now put this value, we will put this value in equation number 7. Clear? We will put this value in equation number 7 and equation number 7 was u1 square minus v1 square. v1 square we will put this is equal to v2 square. Clear? Now u1 square minus u1 square cos square theta is equal to v2 square. We will take u1 square common. It will be 1 minus cos square theta equal to v2 square. Clear? Now 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta equal to v2 square. Now it will become u1 sin of theta whole square is equal to v2 square. And square goes from both sides. So we can say that v2 square is equal to u1 sin of theta. Now these two values we have find out for velocity of particle first and velocity of particle second, means velocity of particle A and final velocity of particle B. Now we will put these two values v1 and v2 in equation number 6. Sixth equation number was this one. Clear? We will put the value of this in this equation. So we get v1 sin of theta. v1 means this equation. u1 cos of theta into sin of theta is equal to that v2 sin of phi. v2 is this u1 sin of theta into sin of phi. Clear? From both sides u1 and u1 goes, sin theta and sin theta goes, means cos theta is equal to becomes sin of phi, and this will happen only one should be converted, means if this 90 minus theta is equal to sin of phi, means अगर आपका cos ਨੂੰ sin ਚ convert करना ਜਾਂ फिर sin ਨੂੰ cos ਚ convert करना, we have to take this 90 minus theta. This is the formula trigonometric. Clear? Now from both sides sin and sin can goes, or 90 minus theta will be equal to phi, or we can say that 90 is equal to theta plus phi, means we will say that if the body collides with the target body of equal mass at rest, then the two bodies move at right angle to each other, means two bodies will move at right angle to each other, means this total angle will be of 90 degree when bodies will collide after the collision. Clear? All about the today's topic.